Rockford, Illinois, is a city rich with variety, from charming historic homes in Churchill's Grove and Edgewater to newer developments on the city's outskirts. Each neighborhood has its own architectural character and climate considerations, making picture window installation a project that requires more than just standard know-how. It demands local expertise. Installing large, stationary picture windows can dramatically improve your home's natural light, views, and curb appeal. But achieving the best results depends on understanding Rockford's climate, building codes, and neighborhood styles, and that's where local window professionals make all the difference. Here's why homeowners across Rockford trust local experts when it comes to picture window installation. A deep understanding of Rockford's weather conditions. Rockford's Midwest climate is known for its extremes: cold, snowy winters and hot, humid summers. That kind of weather can take a toll on windows if they're not built and installed correctly. Local installers know exactly which materials and glass types perform best in Rockford's changing seasons. They can recommend energy-efficient picture windows with features like low E-glass coatings that reflect heat in the summer and retain warmth in the winter, argon or krypton gas fills to minimize heat transfer, thermally insulated frames that prevent drafts and condensation. By working with a local expert, you're ensuring your windows are designed and installed to handle Illinois' weather challenges, keeping your home comfortable and your energy bills under control. Familiarity with local building codes and permit requirements. Every city has its own set of building regulations, and Rockford is no exception. A trusted local installer understands the area's construction standards, permit processes, and inspection requirements, ensuring your window replacement project meets all local codes. This not only helps prevent delays or costly mistakes but also gives you peace of mind knowing your installation complies with safety and energy efficiency laws. Local professionals stay current with Rockford's code updates, so your investment is protected and future resale value remains strong. Expertise in Rockford's architectural styles, from mid-century modern homes in Northeast Rockford to classic bungalows and Victorian houses downtown. Every neighborhood has its own architectural identity. Local window professionals appreciate these details and know how to select and install picture windows that enhance, not overpower, a home's original design. For example, in older homes, a local expert might suggest custom wood-clad frames that complement historic trim work. In contemporary homes, sleek vinyl or aluminum frames with narrow sightlines might be more fitting. Local knowledge ensures your new windows look like they've always belonged, seamlessly blending modern performance with timeless style. Personalized service and attention to detail. When you work with a local company, you're not just another project number. Local installers take the time to understand your goals, budget, and the unique layout of your home. They visit your property, measure precisely, and provide personalized recommendations based on sun exposure, neighborhood surroundings, and your family's lifestyle. This hands-on approach ensures a perfect fit, long-lasting performance, and a result that truly enhances your home. Plus, because local experts live and work in the same community, they're committed to maintaining a stellar reputation, which means your satisfaction is their top priority. Fast response and ongoing support. If you ever need maintenance, repairs, or advice after your installation, having a local partner makes a world of difference. Instead of waiting on a distant national chain, you can count on prompt, friendly service from nearby professionals who understand your window system inside and out. Local experts are available to inspect, adjust, or service your windows quickly, ensuring they stay as efficient and beautiful as the day they were installed. Boosting property value and community pride. Investing in picture windows installed by trusted local professionals not only improves your home's comfort and energy efficiency, it enhances the overall look and value of your neighborhood. Homes with high-quality, properly installed windows stand out for their beauty and craftsmanship, contributing to Rockford's reputation as a city of well-maintained, attractive properties. Supporting local businesses also strengthens the community's economy, creating a cycle of trust and pride that benefits every homeowner. Final thoughts. When it comes to picture window installation in Rockford, local expertise is more than just an advantage, it's essential. Professionals who know the area's architecture, climate, and community standards ensure that your home not only looks stunning but performs beautifully for years to come. By choosing a Rockford-based window specialist, you're investing in precision craftsmanship, personalized service, and results that reflect the pride and personality of your home and your city.